have had a bit of an accident. Again. Ooh.
What did you do? Broke the handle. It's apparently a master problem. The handle.
It's a major problem.
Major. You broke the handle off, didn't you?
I'm getting good at that.
Yeah.
The Land Rover.
A Land Rover. This. What's next?
Nothing, hopefully.
So, but apparently, it's a 10-minute fix. We'll see.
So, you managed to get a new one.
Yeah.
Renault, what a charge?
Oh, they were 60 quid, something like that. We got one from off. I can't remember. Off Amazon, was it? I can't remember.
I think it was eBay.
eBay, whatever.
Whoops.
I've got another broken one. So, just have to put that on there.
Just 10 minutes.
That's what it said. 10-minute repair job.
Okay.
Said. We'll see.
Is that from taking that one off or not? I'm just looking at the time. It's 11:30 a.m.
Yeah, that's right. Right, so we'll see.
It's gone. "20 minutes, it's not a 10-minute job, is it?"
It is a 10-minute job if you have the right tools and everything plays. It's a bit like auto data at work. It says an hour to do a job and it ends up 2 or 3 hours. But it's when you're using old, you know, it's rusted in. It's that screw's spinning. I can't get that one to budge. So it's all combinations of things. When things work right,
it's 10 minutes.
It's 10 minutes, but when it doesn't, and I don't have the best tools in the world, do I?
Oh, I don't know. To be continued in just a minute. Actually, all you need
is somebody that knows what he's doing.
Is a man who can.
Am I? Can I?
He is.
Dear. That's free advertising for me.
So what did you have to do, Scott?
Just know what you're doing.
So what did you have to do, Scott?
Dead easy. Hammer the torques fitting in. Undo that one because it's in a plastic ferrule. It instantly was going to heat the plastic up and fall out. Just got to get the old fitting off now though. And we need the bolt.
This man here is the man who constantly fixes our Land Rover. He's a star.
What did I do wrong then? This ain't got a Land Rover badge on it.
It's French. Don't swear. You're on camera.
Oh, that's all right. I'm not racist. Anything, as long as it's got 4 wheels and a petrol or diesel motor. I don't do none of this electric. No.
Cut that off and get it.
Yeah, I bet you ain't got a grinder, have you? Yeah, you might get it.
Wait.
No grips on that bit. Because it's had heat on it, it'll expand.
It is hot.
Win-win.
See, we've got a bolt.
It's just a normal short 10mm will do that.
Yeah.
Not normal hexagonal head, because there's enough room to clear for the head on the door.
That one.
Good.
Good old who?
Ken,
Who's that?
my dad, with all these old tins with various size bolts and screws and whatever else.
See, I've always told you, never chuck anything away.
No. Never chuck anything. Never.
I chuck everything.
You chuck everything.
It's called recycling. I like the idea of recycle. Fiddly bits to catch.
So, the guys that did this, that I saw on Campervan, Renault Master things, it is a 10-minute job if you did the right tools.
And should everything come to bits properly.
Yes.
The problem you've got is if nothing wants to come to bits properly. Just find so we get good leather. Be careful not to cross thread it. Aftermarket parts aren't quite the same size. It's sitting at the top of the hole, so it's actually pressing on the screw itself. But win-win. Don't over tighten them, otherwise just bust it straight out of the plastic. Ideally,
I've got where's it gone?
in the end, you've got a pair of pliers or that pair of mole grips. I just want to tweak it. I don't want to
Overdo it.
Yeah. Do it with a drill, it will snatch it round and bust the
I've got
plastic.
a key, a set of keys if you want.
Yeah, should be alright. Okay. Job done.
Thank you.
Right, working again.
If you ever need any help with a Land Rover, you lot out there, give us a call and we'll put you in touch with Scott.
Oh, I thought you were asking Scott if we needed, if he needed our help.
No.
Thank you.
It's alright.
It's done. It works. I'll be more careful from now on.